Hi, if you're all wondering, I am Posse C1. I am not a 34-year-old or something like that. I am, 10 years old, like a period. Would a 34-year-old watch iCarly? No. Would a 10-year-old watch iCarly? Yes. Would a 5-year-old watch iCarly? Yes. I'm 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 times 2 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10, and 1 plus 9 equals 10. I am 10. I don't even know what x plus y plus z equals e is. I think it's like some reverse count or something. Well, by the way, I'm Victoria, thanks. Oh yeah, my real name is Victoria Maxine Thanks. And my first name is Victoria, middle name Maxine, last name Thanks. If you want to shout out me, yeah, I will take it. So yeah, bye. This is for my YouTube fans. Yeah. And keep on sending in those sponsors. Uh-huh.